Back at the cave, and it's Aprilia day. Aprilia day. So Martin, my man here, is working on the RSV1000R. We're going to change the bearings. Brand new kit from AP Workshops. Brilliant service. Ordered them, I don't know, 8 o'clock one night. Following morning, had the notification they were on the way. The next following morning, they were with me. So, yeah, really pleased with the service. 75 quid for the complete bearing kit with Teflon washers, which I didn't think is bad at all. So, happy days with that. And like I said, Martin is in the process. Bit of a faff to do. So, belly pan off. We've got to take the rear pipes link pipe, that'll do. And like I said, we've got to get in there. We've got to change this bearing at the back end of the dog bone, the one at the front of the dog bone, which is the reason why we've got to take the link pipe off, because you can't get that bolt out. And this one at the top here, not the one at the bottom of the shock. We'll just give that a good grease. And that should be jobs are good one.
Should be jobs are good one.
There you go.
Now it's fucking superhuman.
Oh, you've got it through there.
Yeah.
Brute force and ignorance.
Well, I just looked at it from a different angle, pulled something
out.
What I was trying to do earlier,
Yeah.
and it didn't want to know. And then she
Yeah.
went, oh, okay, we're doing this, are we? Yeah, cheers. Right, so we need 10mm, 6mm, and a 10mm spanner.
Pipes off.
Pipes off.
Yeah.
And then we can get the pipe off, and then we should go smash through it, rip and tick.
So pipes off, obviously, because we've got to get this off, the link pipe off. The link pipe's only sort of this section here to there, so we don't have to take the headers off. Yeah, the problem we were thinking we were going to have was the routing of this, because it was tucked in tight there, but Martin managed to wiggle it out. So that saved us a bit of a headache. I'm so looking forward to getting out on this. You know, I'm starting to think Aprilia are my favourite manufacturer now. Just like you look at the RSV4s, they're just, you know, they're just a beautiful thing, aren't they? You non-believer. But it's just, I mean, look at the work in that swinging arm. I mean, look at that inside. You don't get that much aluminium cheap, do you? You know, polished as well. So things I've learned, V2, so RSV1000R Gen 2, Öhlins front forks, sash rear shock, not Öhlins. That comes with the factory. Okay, the wheels are not Oz wheels. These are, you know, they're obviously genuine wheels, but these are cast wheels to look like the Oz wheels. So again, the factory comes with the lightweight wheels. The Gen 2 doesn't, or this Gen 2 doesn't. So, you know, there are some subtle differences. I think the wheels are a big deal. You know what, if, you know, I'm so taken by this bike, I might have to find a factory, ride this one for a while, and then, I don't know, think about a factory, but at the moment I'm loving this. Yeah, like I said, it's clearly been on its side at some time. So I think this bit of the fairing's new. You know, this doesn't line up here. You can see where a sticker's been removed there. You know, there's all sorts of stickers on it. But again, you know, it's you know, lots of bikes have been over on their side at some point, and this one hasn't been over hard. So, like I said, I'm not too bothered about it. Yeah, again, that's another telltale sign, isn't it? You know, scrape. But again, you can see it's not massively bad. But it's just a beautiful, over-engineered piece of kit. I love it a lot. Looks so good in this lighting. Not you, Mike. Shines. It's just beautiful. 1000 cc, 60-degree V-twin. Yeah, non-standard levers. Yeah, I have to change them back, I think, at some point. Again, you know, I'll go out and ride it, see what I think of them. You know, this one, like, that's at number 6 on the bar, and you know, it's almost back, so I'll have to have a look at that. So you don't have to actually take the pipe, you just have to get it, break it apart from this part to this part. So split it here, just above my finger. It's just slightly off camera, but that's enough to show the bolt. So we'll be able to undo the bolt, pull it through, so you don't have to completely take this back off. No, mate, we're there. One dog bone.
Knackered.
Knackered.
Knackered. Let's get some grips because we're changing them anyway.
Yeah, yeah.
Really matter about.
No, they're... Remnants of old bearings. Yeah. Ugh. There. Look at that. Look at the state of that. That's horrible, isn't it?
Yeah. This one, it's not the greatest, but at least all the needles are staying in there.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, the others didn't have seals on, did they? Or the seal? No, that's...
The seals are just knackered.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Look at that in there. That's horrible, isn't it? Can you see with the light? Mm. So we can see we've just caught the dog bone just in time. There's some wear where that triangular piece has started to wear on the dog bone. So yeah, luckily just caught it just in time. Otherwise it would have been a new one of them. And these I think 150 to 200 pounds. No, you know, I can't remember quite, but it's a fair amount of money for what it is. But yeah, just in time, thankfully. That wasn't too bad. That was the front one, was it?
That was the front one, yeah.
Oh, right, still
pretty good.
Still pretty good. So front ones obviously doesn't get that much weather. They came out nice and simple. The one at the back, different game. Yeah, they're in there tight.
I'll have to obviously depress in a little further. Sticky stuff.
Lovely jubbly. We like a bit of lubrication.
Yep. There we go in dry. Make enough room for that big O-ring to sit in the top.
Yep.
Fitted.
Oh, lovely.
So we go in another few mil.
Yeah, just enough to recess the seals.
That's it, exactly
Yeah,
that.
beautiful.
So we've just got the front side to do, and then that's the dog bone done, and then we can move on to the swinging arm.
Brilliant, mate. Brilliant. So, bushes, bearings, seals in the bone. Top man. Okay, so we've jumped a little bit ahead now. So we've the bearings, new bearings are in the swinging arm part. So we've just got to put the dog bone in. and jobs are good, and get the pipe back together, and that's about it really. Pretty straightforward. So we've jumped ahead a little bit, so it's all together, dog bone in, all greased up, all the Teflon washers are in there, so there's some protection between this this triangular shaped piece and the dog bone, you know, so it'll give it some protection. So pipes are back on. She's a beauty. All we got to do then is put the wheel back in. Oh yeah, exhaust springs back on. And that's it. Right, that's it for now. Okay, thanks for watching. And next video will be the road test, which I promise will be very soon. Okay, thanks for watching. All the usual stuff at Kaiser Wilhelm, you know, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And I'll catch you soon. Okay, cheers for now.